Hi guys, and welcome back to askNK. Today we're talking about free materials for Free Friday, and these materials will be coming from an amazing artist known as Nikola Damjanov. Alright, I think I got the name right. And today we'll be looking at a couple of free Substance Designer and also the Substance Alchemist materials that you can get. These things are the main files, so you can go ahead and get these 2K maps that contains both the ambient occlusion, base color, height, normals, opacity, metallic roughness, specular, and so on and so forth. And you can use these things for your own commercial and personal project. All of these files are royalty free, and link is also going to be in the description if you want to get these things. And if you go over to his Gumroad, you'll be able to find a couple of them, and you can see these ones are abstract, so you can actually scan through them and see if you can use them for any of your interesting project that's coming up. You can try and look at the material marathon, which actually has about 20 different materials that you can play with. The first one is actually 1 to 10 and the second one is 11 to 20. This is quite a lot that you can use for projects and other things alike. You can also go over to his Gumroad, check out some stuff that he has done. And this is amazing because instead of spending so much time trying to create abstract materials, you can just jump right here, pick these materials and use them for your own personal stuff. So tell me what you guys think about this. Do you love making materials? Would you make use of these materials for some amazing things? If you have Substance Designer, Substance Painter, you can leverage out of this. You can still use the same maps that can be generated out of this in any DCC app of your choice. So tell me what you think about this in the comment section below. This is Free Friday. You're there, the internet is here. Jump right there, download these things, use them for your personal things. And if you like this video, you know what to do. Hit the like button and turn on notification. And if you're new here, it's going to be amazing if you can hit the subscribe button and also turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video. And until I see you guys again with a tutorial update, Free Friday, Tutorial Tuesday, tips and tricks, things like this. Peace.